What's up guys, it's Josh from KeepItTechie, and today I want to do a quick video showing you guys the who command. Now, as I stated in the intro of the video, I want to talk to you guys about the who command. Now, this is a core utility package that's included in all GNU/Linux operating systems. And it's a very simple command, so I'm gonna keep this video super short. I want to get right to it and show you guys how to actually use this command. But this command is beneficial to actually show you some information on the system associated with the user, and it's basically the user that's logged on to the system, as well as some more information about that user. And this is a good system administrator command that you want to learn in order to understand and track the amount of users that are installed on your system. So you can actually use this command in tandem with, let's say, a script file or something, just to see the amount of users that are logged into the system, as well as a little bit of information on it. And one quick example of a use case of using this command is, let's say you logging into an environment that you never logged into and you want to see the users that are on the actual system. Well, the who command is basically used for that purpose. You can quickly find out who's logged into the system, as well as where they're logged in from, and a little bit more information. So let's go down and get to the command line. I'm going to go down and show you guys how to actually use this. Okay, cool. So today I'm using Ubuntu for the demonstration, and I like to always use a different operating system. Some people were recently saying that I have been doing a lot of Arch-based videos, so I wanted to bring some more Ubuntu-based operating systems back into the mix. And this is one of my favorite ones, which is Ubuntu. And of course it has the XFCE desktop or the LXQT desktop installed on here. Let's go down and get started with the who command. And like I stated, this command is on every distribution. It's like a core utility, so you don't have to install it or anything. You can hop right onto a Linux box and the who command is installed. So the first thing, let's go down and go to the man page. And let's type man and then who. Press enter, and this will pull up the man page. And as you can see, it says show who is logged on. And then we have a synopsis, or this is the way you actually run the command. So the who at the beginning, and then the option and file or arguments, whatever arguments you may have. And then here's a quick description. It says print information about users who are currently logged in. And there are a few other options that you could add to it, like the -A for all, -B for boot, -D for print dead processes, -H for header, and then --IPS to print IPS instead of hostname, which is basically your IP address based on where you logged in from. And then L for login, print system login processes, lookup, attempt to canonicalize hostname via DNS, -M only hostname or user associated with stdin, and then processes, and it goes on and on from there. I won't go too deep into all these commands. I'm basically show you just a few of them. This is typically what somebody uses, and I wanted to go down here though just to show you guys this in case you were interested in understanding the who command. It basically uses the var run utmp file, which stores user information. So that's where it actually pulls this information from, the who command. It actually pulls it from here. So let's go down and quit this right fast. Like I said, this will be a short video, but I just want to show you guys this command because it's useful for systems administrators. But the first way I want to show you guys how to run a command is basically typing who. So let's type WHO, press enter, and as you can see, it prints out the information associated with my username. And just to break it out for you, this is basically the name of the user logged in, as well as the terminal. So I'm using TTY1, and then the time when I actually logged in to the system, and then the host name or IP address, which I'm logged in locally on this system, so that's why it's not showing anything right there. Okay, and the next thing I want to show you guys is actually how to add the headers to it. And let's say you don't know what these are, or let's say it's a bunch of usernames that is showing here, and you want to see a header, or you want to export this out to a report or something, and you want a header or something like that, or pipe it into a file, or actually push the output to a file. Then we can use one of these options that I showed you in the man page, which is who dash capital H, and press enter, and that'll actually print the headers. So if you need a header line for whatever reason, that's how you actually print the header of the information that's printed out. So you got your name, you got your line, you got your time, and you got your comment, which they should specify it a little better. I would say log in from or something like that. And then this should be the actual terminal. So, and then, you know, username or something like that. And it should be like login time or something, because that's basically what it's telling you, the login time of that user. But once you get it, you know, you don't have to really worry about the titles. You just know exactly what it is. I just wanted to show you guys that so you can get a header up there for it. Now let me show you guys this right fast. If you type who, this will print, well, who, and then another option -B. This will tell you the last, you know, system boot. So that's one cool feature of it. So if we type who and then -B and press enter, like I said, this is his last system boot. So as you can see, you know, this was, you know, a while ago. This was about an hour ago. I think I had this virtual machine sitting here while I was doing something else, but it's been up for, you know, close to an hour. So that's a cool way of getting, you know, just some information. Let's say you need it for something else, like a script that you're writing or something. You could pull in the last system boot, you know, into your script by running this command within your bash script or whatever. Now, let's say it's multiple users on this system actually logged into the system, and you just want to know the total number of the currently logged on users. Well, there is an option for that, and that's -Q. So if we type who and then -Q and press enter, it'll just basically, since it's just one, it just shows one, but this is the total users right here. So, and this the number. So if we had, you know, multiple users on here, then you'll have the number of the amount of users that are logged onto the system. Let's say it's like 20 people or something, you have, you know, 20 right there. So that's a cool like option or whatever for the who command. Now lastly, I just want to show you guys the all command, which kind of encompasses everything. This will print all the information that you can get from the who command. So if we type who and then -A for all, basically, and it just pulls in all the information. So this is the system boot, this is the run level right here, and then this is that same information we pull from when we run the who command, you know, by default. Now that's pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to show you about this command. It's a very simple command. It's an important command that I think all people should know. If once you start using Linux from the command line, you know, it'll give you, you know, information about users like we stated. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got something out of it. Like I said, I wish I could have made this longer. I should have encompassed like another command with this command, but I just wanted to get this out here. This was something that I was playing around with a while back, and I just wanted to show you guys this command right fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave comments down in the comment boxes below, and of course, keep it techie.